Hi children, good morning. I can see all of your faces are filled with joy. Is it because of the English time? Very good. Today we have the story of the Muttattu Varki, the little girl and the children. Did you read it before? No? Don't worry. We will read it now. I am going to tell the story. The little girl and the umbrella. Look at the monitor. What did you see in the monitor? Yes, there are some children. What is in their hand? Very good. Some placards. What did it tell us? The children are trying to tell something to us. What is it? Try to read. Yes, very good. The right to education, right to protection and care, right to food and clothing, right to proper house and basic facilities. These are all the rights of the children. Children, do you have all these rights? Do you get all these? Very good. Who provides all this opportunity for you? Yes, our family and the society provides this opportunity or this right to you and us. Everyone has provided the family and the society. The rights should be provided by them. Okay, good children. We can read it once again. What are all the rights of us? Please try. Very good. To provide proper food and clothing. Then protection and care. Then right to education. Then proper housing and basic facilities. And what are things you think and find out what are all the rights you have. Children, in our story, there are some children. We try to find out whether they get all these rights or not. I am going to tell the story. Listen. Long ago, in a beautiful village, there are two children. They are on the way to school. Suddenly, sky was cloudy and a cold breeze was blowing. What will happen? ആകാശത്ത് മേഘങ്ങൾ നിറഞ്ഞു വന്നു, കാർമേഘങ്ങൾ നിറഞ്ഞു വന്നു, തണുത്ത കാറ്റടിക്കാൻ തുടങ്ങി. എന്താ സംഭവിക്കുക? സംഭവിക്കും. വെരി ഗുഡ് ചിൽഡ്രൻ. ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് ഗോയിങ് ടു റെയിൻ. വെരി ഗുഡ്. The children have no umbrella. What did they do? അവരെ കയ്യിലേ കൊടയുണ്ടായിരുന്നില്ല. അവരെന്ത് ചെയ്യും? Let us see. What did they do? Watch.
Lily, it is going to rain. You go with Gracie.
What about you?
I will run.
Gracie! Let me come under your umbrella too.
No. My clothes are made of fine silk. It will get spoiled. Your dress is quite old and torn.
Please, Gracie.
Go away, girl. I won't let you in my umbrella. Children, do you enjoy the puppetry? Is it nice? Very good. Who are the characters in the puppetry? Do you remember? Who are they? Very good, children. One is baby. Then Lily. Another one? Gracie. Very good. There are 3 characters in the puppetry. What did Lily ask Gracie? എന്താ ചോദിച്ചത്? Will you let me under your umbrella? Gracie, please, will you let me under your umbrella? Did Gracie allow it? Gracie സമ്മതിച്ചിരുന്നോ? No. Gracie സമ്മതിച്ചില്ല അല്ലേ? No. Very good. I think that you got the idea. Okay. Am I correct? You got it? You want to see the scene once again? Here is a chance.
Lily, it's going to rain. You go with Gracie.
What about you?
I will run.
Gracie, can I too? Gracie! Go away, girl. I won't let you in under my umbrella. Gracie, please. Gracie!
I have the confidence you got all the main concept of our lesson. Now it is the time for reading. Are you ready to read this? Okay. Teacher prepared some simple test for you. Try to read it. Listen carefully.
Shall we read the lesson? The sky was cloudy. A cold breeze was blowing. Lily, it is going to rain. You go with Gracie, baby said. The raindrops falling. Baby start running. Lily also ran towards Gracie, holding her books and slate against her chest. Lily asked Gracie, "Can I too?" Lily begged and tried to get in under Gracie's umbrella, but Gracie did not allow. Gracie said that, "My dresses are made of fine silks." Lily could not control her tears. She wept bitterly. Lily ran on and on, thoroughly wet.
Children, don't forget to find out the difficult or the unfamiliar words from the lesson. Find out the meaning from the dictionary or the glossary and write it on your notebook. Now we have a assignment. Look. Complete the crossword puzzle. You have 4 hints. So we have 4 answers. The first and second should write on a cross, and third and fourth come downwards. See the blocks. First across. The 9 blocks are free. So you can find easily from the which is the correct word. The 9 letter. Which word have the 9 letter? Okay, that is a secret for you. Find out and fill it and send it to your teacher. Okay? See you in the next class.